So you have created the knob. Okay, so the next, but then first I'll just close this one, then create a new part file. Make sure the units is in IPS. So the next part that I will be creating is the slider. Okay, so I'll just sketch the front plane. Okay, so I'll just draw a center line, a vertical center line. Then I'll press escape key or right click, then select. Then I'll just select the line tool, the solid line. Okay, so I'll just create from the top of the or the end point of the center line. I'll draw a horizontal line. It's either left or right, you choose. So let's try the right. Okay, so I'll just draw a horizontal line, a vertical line going down, then horizontal line going back, then probably a slant line, and then and the line at the origin. Then I'll just press escape key. Again, I will use the mirror entities. So entities to be mirrored, these are the solid lines. And then mirror about, select the hidden line. Then click the OK button. Now let us provide the dimensions. Smart dimension. So let's say the base, let's say the base. Okay, it has a dimension of 0.50 inches. Okay, and then let's say this endpoint here, or this line, and then the corner here, or this line. Okay, so let's say this is 0.4, 0.40, then this is 0.2. Now I will be providing the measurement of this top at 0.75 inches, and then the angle here, I'll just select this slant line and the horizontal line and project a 76-degree measurement. Okay, so the sketch is fully defined. I'll add thickness using this extruded boss base features. The blind condition, I will change that to mid plane, and the thickness is let's say 1.25. Enter. Okay, and then click the OK button. So you have your slider here. So I'll just change the orientation view to top view. Okay, and then I'll draw a circle. So I'll just sketch tool, select the top face, and then draw a circle at this origin. And smart dimension, select that circle, and it should have a mesh diameter of 0. Let's say 125. Okay, and then 3 decimal places. Then okay, then I'll just rotate a little bit so that I could see the output features. Extruded cut, then condition is blind, and it should have a 0.50 inch. Then okay, so it doesn't have a hole. Okay, now I'll just change that to isometric view. Okay, and save that file to my folder. Okay, similarly this has this name of slider. Okay, and save, and that completes your activity.